Let me say something that might hurt a little. If you enter trades without a plan, if you hope the market will move in your favor, if you pray instead of calculate, you're not trading, you're gambling. And today I'm going to show you how permanently crossover from gambling to professional trading. Most beginners don't lose money because they're stupid. They lose money because nobody ever taught them the difference between gambling and trading. They click buy because stock looks strong. Telegram guy said breakout. The market mood feels positive. That is emotional decision making. That is gambling psychology. Let's define this clearly. Gambling means unplanned risk, unknown probability, emotion driven decisions. Trading means defined risk, known probability, rule based execution. One depends on luck, the other depends on process. If I give you 1 lakh and ask you to play Teen Patti with it, you might win today, but over time you will lose. Now imagine I give you the same 1 lakh to a casino owner who makes money every single day. The owner. Professional traders think like a casino owners. Gamblers think like players. The biggest lie beginners believe is this: if I predict direction correctly, I'll make money. Wrong. You can predict direction and still lose money because prediction without risk management is gambling. Let me tell you the biggest lie most traders believe, and almost everyone believes this is at the beginning. The lie is this: if I can predict the market direction correctly, I will make money. Sounds logical, right? Market goes up, I buy, I make money. Market goes down, I sell, I make money. But this belief has destroyed more trading accounts than bad stocks ever have. Let me explain why. You can be right about direction and still lose money. In fact, most beginners lose money on correct predictions. Why? Because prediction alone is not trading. Prediction without risk control is nothing but educated gambling. Let me give you a simple example. Suppose you correctly predict that Nifty will go up today, so you buy, but you don't decide where you will exit if you are wrong, how much you are willing to lose, how much quantity you should buy. Now the market dips slightly before going up. Your stop loss is not defined. Fear enters. You panic and exit. 5 minutes later, the market shoots up. Direction was right, execution was wrong. And that is not bad luck, that is a bad process. Professional traders don't get paid for being right, they get paid for managing risk when they're wrong. Let that sink in. The market doesn't reward prediction, it rewards preparation. The moment you focus only on direction, you ignore the three things that actually decide your profitability. One is how much you risk, where you exit, how consistently you follow rules. This is why gamblers talk about accuracy and traders talk about expectancy. Gamblers say, I was right, but I still lost money. But traders say, I followed my system, outcome doesn't matter. If your trading success depends on being right every time, you are gambling. The day you stop trying to be right and start trying to be disciplined, that's the day you start trading. Let me show you the exact difference. Gamblers ask how much I can make. Traders ask how much I can lose. Gamblers increase quantity when emotional. and traders reduce size after losses. Gamblers trade to feel excitement, and traders trade to execute rules. Well, gambling feels exciting and trading feels boring. And the truth is, money is made in boredom, not excitement. The market rewards discipline and not dopamine. Well, professional traders don't ask, will this trade work? They ask, if I take 100 such trades, will I be profitable? That mindset shift alone can save you your career. Here are the 4 non negotiable rules that convert gambling into trading. Rule number 1, every trader must have a stop loss. Rule number 2, fixed risk per trade. Rule number 3, predefined entry. And rule number 4, no revenge trading. Break even 1, you are gambling again. Most people focus on which stock to buy. Professionals focus on how much to buy. If you risk only 1% per trade, you can be wrong 10 times and still survive. Survival comes before profit. Your biggest enemy is not the market, it's your urge to overtrade. Recover losses fast. Prove you're right. So, the moment ego enters, discipline exists. Well, say this with me. I'm not here to win today. I'm here to follow my system. That sense separate amateurs from professionals. When you stop gambling, your losses reduce, your stress reduces, your confidence increases, not because you win more trades, but because you control outcome. If you want to stop gambling and start trading properly, you need structure, you need rules, you need accountability. That's exactly what we build inside my smart trading circle. Link is in the description. The market is not a casino, but if you believe like a gambler, it'll treat you like one. Choose discipline, choose systems, choose trading. If you like what I'm teaching, subscribe now and join me again tomorrow at 5 p.m.